Well, it's been a hard week and now it's Friday night and it's time to repair this top plate. This new one that come from China, which took just over 2 weeks I think it was to get here. I'm also going to do this modification. I'm going to use one of these to put on them back posts there so my antenna can come out the back and this don't happen again. And that come from this guy. It's very fast and yeah, done exactly what I wanted. Got me what I wanted and it was fast and good. And also I'm doing an upgrade to TBS Unify Pro V3. So I'm going to increase my FPV range. And then my transmitter's going to let me down. And that come from quadcopters. Got a mythical creature there, so when I go to another location that'll be getting stuck there, and also a suite, which was great, and that arrived within 2 days of ordering it, which was excellent. Right guys, so after trawling the internet for like 10 hours to find out exactly how to power this TBS Unify Pro with 5 volts. On the back of here you can see this 5 volt pad here is being used for LEDs, and it also supplies my flight controller, and I didn't know if I could tap into that as well, so I chose not to. And on this side, the cam is the 5 volt is already bridged, standard for a Wizard. But instead of your existing VTX going to the VTX pad here, the actual cam is going to the VTX pad. And I'm not sure if it does 5 volt, it says VCC there, just here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the Unifier Pro to this cam section, because as you can see the 5 volt has already been bridged, and I'm going to connect my wires from here. So the yellow one to the cam, the red one to the plus, and the ground to the minus. Not enough information on this on the internet, so I'm covering this. The litmus test. Well, plugged in. It's got a little blue LED. These goggles and see. Yes, and we have video. So a little blue LED on that, and video inside the goggles. Move it around so. Yes. I got video from my VTX on the Eachine Wizard, powered into the 5 volt camera, the 5 volt bridged, which comes standard. Excellent. Massive achievement for me. Massive. Wow, I'm so impressed. of this little mud. You see, antenna goes on there like that, sticks out at that angle. It's fantastic. But what I was really impressed with is that the supplier asked me some questions about what I was putting in there, and you can't really see it from this angle, but it's been cut out or printed like it, and it fits in there so snug, and like it's the perfect fit for these standoffs. It's like really good, really good. Right then, so we've done a bit of a modification, Unify Pro. We're going to see how far we can go. Well, that's much better. This FPV camera's not tilting at the right angle. Let's go up. Got quite a long way out there, much further than what I did before. And then the trusty old fly spy started bleeping at me, telling me it's about to lose signal, radio signal, so you're next.